This is the third page of your packet. The front, it's number 1 of the U try section. You've got 4 over 5p minus 7 over 15p. Now, the way that I like to do this is to basically factor everything. 4 over 5 times p can't be factored, minus 7 over 15 is 3 times 5 times p. Now then, what I'm looking for is what if I'm truly going to add or subtract this expression, what does each one have in the denominator that the other one doesn't? So you're looking at the factors. They both have a 5. Okay, so in terms of common denominators, you don't have to do anything about the 5. They both have a p. So in terms of common denominators, you don't have to do anything about p. However, you will notice that the factor 7 over 15p has a 3 as a factor that the other one does not. Okay, if it has a 3 as a factor, you need there to be a 3 in the denominator of the expression on the right. So you're going to multiply with what is a version of 1. 3 over 3 is 1. Okay, but what you've done is you've put a 3 now in the denominator. So this ends up being something minus something. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 times p is 15p. So 12 over 15p minus, I didn't have to do anything to the right-hand expression, so 7 over 15p. And if you have 12 over 15p minus 7 over 15p, now you have common denominators, and that common denominator is 15p. So you would just write equals. Now I'm going to show every single step. You'll probably get to the point where you don't have to show every single step. When you have common denominators, you don't put them together. There's only one denominator, so you combine both of the numerators over a single denominator. And so 12 minus 7 is 5 over 15p. And that equals, and this is the thinking you have to do when simplifying. Notice there's no addition or subtraction, so this is really simple rational simplification. 5 goes into 5 one time, 5 goes into 15 3 times, so you end up with 1 in the numerator over 3 times p in the denominator, and that's your answer.